I got this from Temu. This is out of the box. Can you see that? Yeah. It cost $15.99. I know it's a lot of money, but it's an electric one. Still got the sponge in it there. I filled it up with some juice, some foam juice. That's all I've got. There's a little opening here, if you can see that. If you want to add up some more foam juice in it or whatever. So there's a USB charger there. You got a tiny USB lead. I'm hoping this works. So let's give it a crack. So here we go. What's it say? I forgot the make of it. I think it's a generic thing. Don't think there's a make on it. I'll put the link on the description. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Battery powered. You know what? It's better than pumping, but at the end of the day, who knows? There's demon foam in this as well. So. Kinda works, all right. Hope you're seeing that view. I haven't got much foam, that's what it is. I used it all on that crappy Aldi Ferrex one. So this is not really giving it its best shot, to be fair. The reason I'm not opening that, okay, you press that, releases the pressure. The reason I'm not opening that because the water's up to there. I'm putting what else, the last of what I've got of this demon foam in. I went to buy some this morning, but it's all gone. So that's all I've got. Let's see what that does. Ooh. So that's there. Right. So here we go again. Take 2. That's a bit better. I'm not impressed really. The only thing I can say is that I don't have to pump like a twat. Kinda working. Not bad. Oh. Not much left now. This was a 2-litre work. That's it. That's all gone now. So anyway, that was 2 litres gone. It didn't do a bad job, to be honest with you. Like I said, it saved me pumping like a lunatic. The only downside I did notice was this little USB cable there. When you plug it in to charge it, nothing comes on to tell you it's being charged. So I don't know if it's fully charged or not. That's the only downside. So I just stuck it in and left it in for an hour. Seems to be all right. So yeah. car's unexpected wash today. What I'll do now is I'll get the old Ferrex jet wash and give that a second go, because the Temu jet wash, cordless jet wash, it really destroyed the Ferrex one. So what I'm going to do is give it another go. Going to get a bucket of water and see what happens. Back in a mo. Change of plan. Hope this is the right way. Onto the Temu one. Hope it's got enough battery. My Ferrex one's battery's flat. There. This Temu one, such a good little power wallet. Kids had fun with this on the weekend, shooting each other from the paddling pool. Oh, come out. Could do with a little weight on that, to be honest. It's not bad, is it? I mean, the kids have played with this all Saturday, and the battery's still good. Yes, I know you're going to say there's insect stuff on there. Listen, I'm not washing the car, okay? I'm just showing you what the foamer did and the jet wash. Not water. Anyway, if you got a bike or a small car that you want to wash and you haven't got a hose pipe, ideal. That hairline, hair trigger, whatever you call that, that's bad. It's really, you should have a little push button there so you can turn it off and on. So, okay. So let me know in the comments below, that's how they say it, isn't it? What you thought of the battery operated, hang on, let me go and get it. I put it on the wall and it fell off. But here it is. Let me know what you think of this. I think if you top it up, what you're supposed to do, right, is take that out and that'll measure how much juice to put into it. Where have I done that? So that'll cover that on there like that for the charger. Like I say, when I plugged it in, there's no charging light or anything like that to say it's actually charging, which is a shame. It's not fantastic. It did the job. Saved me pumping like a lunatic. And yeah, it works okay. Next time I want to do it. So if I haven't put it up, the product link to it off Temu, I'll probably do it now. And that's it for now. Until the next time, take care.
Tap the box, peel the seal. What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unbox a little bit of everything within a Mars. Snap the clip, tear the tape. Every package, a new escape. Tools and toys, big and small. Vinnie Mars unboxes it all with